Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy hene kasi kalarakhe kerpang ya kasi burom ya Nonghikai ha ususu tham auditorium. Palatan spangod Nonghikai kilawan bani shimbenta ha kani kajing rakhe ya kani kasngi bakarpang jong Nonghikai. Ha kani kasngi ulat kajela UCH Vijayashankar ulalong kumukong san batla samru ya ki state award che Nonghikai ki belapau bha naman Lucky District kentop ya urenol basayamot Jonga East Khasi Hills, ka Sister Cecilia Kujur na Eastern West Khasi Hills, U Diamond Paswet na West Jaitbynriew Hills, Aswini Kumar Sarma na East Garo Hills, Purida Ai Sangma na West Garo Hills, bat kiwe pan. Ha ka jingkran ka jong uulat ulapan pao ba Nonghikai ki day ki Rishot, ki batay ya kari bat ya ka Jaitbynriew, bat kumbalong ru ya ki Kmie, Nonghikai ki day banyo burom, ha kajing im jong way po way. Ulapan pauru da kabasot nagi kintin jong president ubala klat no. U APJ Abdul Kalam da kabaong bakajing nang jingtip basisha kam day tang banlum jingtip. Henry ka day bantay ya kajing im ka akor bat kajing long jingman. Ula kenturu ya ki bor sorkar bakin pintray kam ya ka policy. Ki badon shisha kajing mento ya ki samla pule bat ula ongru ba ya Nonghikai day ban burom omtang ha kani kasngi. Henry man lakasngi namar kajing yarap bakila ay ban pensyong niya ya kalaway jong kapateng gibanwan.
The deep commitment to social development should remain a pillar of strength and influence discipline we have to education and faith. With 28 years of dedicated service in education and 22 years in leadership. As a Scout Master, he attended Northeastern Regional Level Scout and Guide Unit. He was appointed as Headmaster of the school in the year 1991 and then got his service as an assistant teacher and who has been a paragon of sincerity, discipline and punctuality.
It's an honor for me to be here because it's a galaxy of teachers sitting all around us. Whatever we are today, each one of us can really sincerely keep our hand on the heart or chest and think, who is that one or two person who made our life different? I'm sure first of that would be a teacher and a teacher first. It is because in many of our lives, especially if you come from relatively underprivileged background, trust me, honestly, the teachers are the one who make a difference. So I happen to be in civil service, but my father is a very hardworking, honest person. He's an illiterate. My mother is class 5, okay? And I studied in a village school, like all of you. But the teachers I got were so valuable. Even today morning, I spoke to 7 of my teachers from school. Every teacher, I call them in the morning, and my wife says, don't forget, they'll wait for your call. Because I sincerely believe, and it's 100% true, what I am today is because of my teachers. Because any student coming from a difficult or relatively poorer background, he doesn't have that sort of luxury of having institutional memory of your parents guiding you, your mentors are at home. It is the teachers who guide you. It is the teachers who handhold you. And that's how you grow better, bigger and greater in life because of the teachers. So my dear friends, let us remember and remind ourselves of the greatness of the noble mind who made our nation, who made our country, who made each of us better as of today and even for tomorrow. Interesting thing is, Acharya Padamadate Padam Shishya Sumedhaya Padam Sabrahmacharibhya Padam Kalakramenaya. what teacher does is, he fixes the legs, the skills of the leg of the child, so that he doesn't falter in future. You can fall before the teacher. The basic essence of the skills of your leg. Any game you play, be it football of course, cricket, any game, your footwork is more important. If your footwork is good, you can play square drive, you can play straight shot, you can hit six, because your foot controls your movement. So in life, what teacher actually does is, initially, he settles the foot of your soul, or your body, your persona, so that you don't falter. Then the child learn on his own. Child learn from the peers and the friends, and he learn from the kala. He learn from the situations, and as he grows, and he also learn to support children without legs. That's how the learning goes. So this is such a beautifully portrayed image of a teacher who supports for the child to make his own life, his own destiny, and make him self-reliant. Teachers are not the guy, one who gives knowledge anymore, not the sole authority of knowledge. We live in a very high-tech society. But believe me, teachers mostly love students far more than their own children. That is the reality of life. That is how we all have become what we are. I mean, many of our teachers love us more than their own children. And capable and make them our capital than liability. I'll conclude with the two lines of Sosatham in what he spoke about education. Kajing start, kalong kabor, kajing nang, kalong kajing kerman. Kajing start, kalong kabor, kajing nang, kalong kajing kerman. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Share it, handle it with care, and learning is a hope for every society and community. In Meghalaya especially, we have very sensitive and different communities. So the community spirit and learning spirit and sharing of knowledge, may God bless all of us to develop our state into far more better, inclusive, developed state in future, which makes life better for all of us. Thank you very much. Mithela, Kuble, Chihazar. Thank you.
Me and shape me. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to the Office of the Directorate of School Education Literacy for the efforts they have put in making today's celebration possible and for honoring us with this prestigious state award. Thanks to the Kmie of this program for conducting the program successfully. As we gather here today, I would like to share a thought that inspires me. It goes like this. A dream to teach since childhood's prime, achieve in adulthood with love's sweet rhyme, with dedication and heart so free, shaping youth for a brighter destiny. Personally, myself, as lecturer of Government Boys High Secondary School, Juan, I feel privileged that my childhood dream to teach the youth has become a reality. Receiving this award is not only a recognition for our service, but also a reflection of the thousands of lives we have impacted throughout our careers, whom we have inspired throughout our efforts. Teachers play a vital role in three key areas. First, in the school. Second, in the community. Third, in the state. In school, teachers play an important role by imparting knowledge and skills, guiding students' personal and academic growth, fostering critical thinking and problem solving, building confidence and character. In the community, teachers play a significant role by building a relationship with parents and community members, promoting social service and civic responsibility, and serving as role models. In the state, teachers play a crucial role by shaping future citizens and leaders contributing to state's educational development and promoting national values and unity. Before I conclude, I leave you with a message for all educators. Let us strive with heart and soul to mold and shape to reach their goals. May our actions speak louder as role models to push harder. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Jaitbynriew, Kublai Shibon, Mithila, Jai Hind.
We have been called to be teachers. This is a gift that shall be cherished by all of us till the end of a lifetime. For education is a matter of the heart. Our deepest respect and appreciation to His Excellency Shri Chandrasekhar H. Vijayashankar, the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, who is our chief guest today. Sir, we are deeply touched by your personal presence. Thank you for sharing in our joy and happiness today. Your presence here speaks volume of your care and concern for the teaching community of the state. I also thank all the officials and dignitaries of the government of Meghalaya, and especially all the officials and dignitaries of the Department of School Education and Literacy for making this day so meaningful and so joyful in our lives. May God bless your work and your mission. And to all my fellow colleagues of the teaching fraternity of the state, as I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day today, may we continue to commit ourselves effectively and efficiently to the welfare and the growth of the students' community of the state. And as we continue the journey that lies ahead of us, let us resolve to take our place professionally and passionately. While we are concerned with the need to be secured, let us not forget that we are called for a higher cause to excel in our deeds. Let us remember that we not only teach, but we also share in the dreams of hundreds and thousands of our students, their parents, their brothers and sisters, their families, their villages, their cities, their state and their country.
We received very good because nature is also with us. We have been involved with very good program so that we are able to receive very good rains, and it is also being blessed in honor this program. I am very proud and happy to say that before I begin my speech, I was the son of a teacher. My father also was a higher primary school headmaster. I know the importance of a teacher. I know the value of a teacher. I know the commitment of a teacher. But in anybody's personalities, two personalities' role are very, very important. First role is mother. Second role is teacher. Second part is teacher. Till the age of 5, if at all anybody teaches which is bad and which is good, what is done and what should not be done, for what we have to live in this society, and what should be our future goal, aim. Anybody at that is going to teach none other than mother. And second, after 5, when we come to the school, the second role, second important role, that is teacher's role. But I would like to mention here very clearly, whose life is going to be brighter? Whose life is going to be brighter? In that way, if at all we think, I make it very clear here, in case of a child, in any case of anybody's life, if at all a mother, not only should not be a mother, if at all she is going to be a teacher in case of her child, one side she is a mother, in the side she is going to be a teacher, mold the entire life, thoughts and thinking and way of living, that child's life is going to be brighter. Second role is a teacher. If at all only they are going to teach and they are not going to give the love, where we get it from a mother. If at all a teacher is going to be fulfill the role of a mother also, that love, that affection towards the child, one side she is a teacher, the other side she is going to be a mother, she is going to fulfill that part also, that child's life going to be brighter. So in that way, always I respect two personalities in anybody's life. If at all I am able to come to this level in my life, two personalities are very important. One is the role of mother, the other thing is role of a teacher. Not anybody else on this earth, I make it very clear here. And take up the studies at the primary level, higher primary level and high school level. We have been able to see some of the cultural activities here. And music here, we are able to listen to music here. I make it very clear, some of the education department authorities who are sitting here, when we were taking the studies at the primary and higher primary and high school, we used to see music teacher in the classes, in the schools, music teachers being appointed, crop teachers being appointed. We are able to see the crop teachers also. We are able to see the physical education teacher. PE teacher is compulsory. After 4 o'clock, after 4 p.m., every child used to be in the field, involved with the physical activities. Now I am going to ask you people, overall development of the child, personality, these are all the actual activities should be there in the school, So in that way, we have to think, if at all there are any lapses, we have to think that way also. If at all a child at that stage, if at all not able to learn music, if at all not able to learn what is craft, if at all not able to learn how to play, you have been told you are a very good football player. When during school level, if at all don't develop such kind of activities, such kind of motivation is not there at that level, overall development of the personality cannot be there. In that way, you people have to think very seriously. Mr. Gentleman, you being the director and you being the principal secretary of the department and being the senior officers, you have to think your justice to each and every child at that level. Some written speeches here. Words, It is the words quoted by Abdul Kalam, a great, well-known scientist, former president of this nation, great nation. He says, what he says? According to Abdul Kalam, education is not the amount of information. Education is not the amount of information that is put in the human brain, It must be man-making, character-making, and life-building of every accumulated ideas. Then only that education will give true meaning to everybody's life. Students should become proud of their culture, heritage, and live their life with dignity. This is what quoted by Abdul Kalam. May we continue to honor our teachers, not only today, but every single day, by living up to the values they have instilled in us. Thank you so much. Once again, happy Teachers' Day. We will always respect you, we will always honor you. Not only the parents. During our child days, we have seen, if at all a teacher is coming in the street, if at all elder sitting, if at all a teacher is coming, everybody, immediately, they are supposed to stand and respect the teachers. Teacher is coming, nobody sits. When teacher enters in the street, that much of the respect, that much of the honor, a teacher is going to get in the society. So in that way, so we have to salute you all the time. We are with you, government is also with you. We will take care of you, you have to take care of the society. You have to take care of the future coming generation. Thanks to all of you. Kumba, Nitela, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.